Hi, I'm Doug with US Dent, and today we have an old Kawasaki Tank mounted to the stand here. It's got a real big dent on it. We're going to put a lot of heat on it and see if we can help it out any for the guy who's probably going to paint it when we're done. I'll bring you in and show you how it looks. I don't know if the camera will pick this up or not, but there's a nice piece of crown right there. It goes across the body line. It's already chewed up from the original damage anyway, so I'm not too worried about that. But you can see how tight these crowns get on a dent on a tank when they get up on these corners. Just a whole bunch of little pieces I have left to knock down. Hi, I'm Doug with US Dent, and that's my fucking dog.